Indeed, Baba's Baba. Our Catholic bishops are raising serious concerns over plans by the state to regulate religion through a proposed bill. The proposed law arises from recommendations by the Presidential Task Force on the review of the legal and regulatory framework governing religious organizations. With Catholic clergy opposing the proposed law, it may be difficult for the government to curb religious extremism, as NTV's Victor Ngaruya now reports.
The Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, KCCB, convened a meeting to address national concerns. KCCB has voiced its opposition to the regulation of religion by the government, stressing that the bills and laws must undergo careful and meaningful public participation, warning that hastily enacted bills risk eroding public trust in the government.
The same can be expressed about the religious organization bill. While certain legislation is necessary to govern, government should never be seen as attempting to regulate religion.
The proposed bill emanates from recommendations of the Presidential Task Force formed by President William Ruto in May 2023 following the shocking discovery of mass graves at Shakahola Forest in Kilifi County. The graves contained over 400 bodies of followers of Pastor Paul Mackenzie of the Good News International Church, who allegedly starved hundreds of his followers and their children to death. The 17-member task force, chaired by Reverend Mutava Musimi, highlighted gaps in Kenya's current legal framework, which it said fails to adequately address religious extremism. The proposed Religious Organizations Bill seeks to establish an advisory board domiciled in the Office of the Attorney General. It also seeks to appoint the Registrar of Religious Organizations. With churches' rejection of legislation, the government could be left with little or no legal mechanism to regulate extremist religious practices, leaving citizens exposed to potential harm. Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has assured the clergy that the government would not pass the laws to regulate religious bodies without seeking their audience. President Ruto officially received the task force's report on July 30th, 2024, which contains comprehensive recommendations for interim measures pending the enactment of new laws to address both emerging and existing challenges. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.